welcome back to my channel. I'm Sally and I run Didsbury Art Studio, and in today's video I would like to do another rose design, but this time I'm going to use some spare fabrics that I've got. I'm going to sew them together and I want to kind of see a sort of multicoloured rose design and see if it works. So shall we get into it? I've been given these sash stretches of fabric and I'm thinking I'm going to reproduce this one by using these fabrics. The first thing I've got to do is sew all these sashes together. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to overlap the fabrics that I'm using, and then I'm going to do a zigzag stitch, quite a wide spaced out stitch. So dials are on 3 for the top dial and 3 for the bottom. Now I haven't pinned mine, but if you want to pin yours, that's absolutely fine, go ahead. I'm just going to speed this up. So that's how it looks. It's just wide zigzag, and I'm going to be having the lilac fabric here, then the pink. This is what the fabrics currently look like after I've sewn them. I've actually cut these down a little bit to the width of my template, and obviously I've got the wrong sides facing up, and just to show you that I used the water soluble pen and I also used a fabric marker. I drew out 5 templates down and I also did 5 across. So this was where I drew out my template, gather the fabric like this and do it a little bit quicker. Now obviously, because this is a lighter fabric, the rose is going to come out a lot smaller and lighter looking. Make sure you go to the end of the design. I've just got my thread single. And nearly done. So literally just going to pull that thread, this is, as I said, the back of the fabric, so all we need to do is just make sure that we secure that with a couple of stitches and knots. So next I'm going to move on to the next shape and start sewing around it again. I'll pull it, finish off with a knot and keep moving along. So I'll go all the way across and then keep doing each row. I've managed to do 1 row so far. It doesn't look like anything at the moment and won't do until there's quite a few rows done, so I'll show you in a bit and I'll keep heading on to the next row. today and learning some new skill. Thank you for spending some of your time with me today. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe and give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and also hit the notification button, which will then give you the times when I upload my videos, which are twice a week on a Monday and Thursday. So take care of yourselves, have a good week, and I'll see you shortly. Bye bye.